Jain, a Shingon master, was a well-known Sanskrit scholar of the Tokugawa era. When he was young, he used to deliver lectures to his brother students. His mother heard about this and wrote him a letter. "Son, I do not think you became a devotee of the Buddha because you desired to turn into a walking dictionary for others. There is no end to information and commentation, glory and honor. I wish you would stop this lecture business. Shut yourself up in a little temple in a remote part of the mountain. Devote your time to meditation and in this way attain true realization." This story, A Mother's Advice, is a gentle but piercing reminder that spiritual pursuit is not about accumulation, but transformation. Jain, though deeply learned and respected, is nudged by his mother to return to the essence of his path. Her letter cuts through the illusion that knowledge alone leads to enlightenment. She reminds him, and us, that fame, recognition, and intellectual mastery can easily become distractions on the spiritual path. Her wisdom echoes a deeper truth: realization is not in speaking, but in silence, not in lecturing, but in listening inwardly. In a world obsessed with outward success, her advice is revolutionary: choose quietude over applause, depth over display, and truth over titles. It is not a rejection of learning, but a call to embody what one knows. A call to retreat, reflect, and realize.